rice flakes milk smoothie or carrot rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes. To make carrot rice flakes milk smoothie, we have taken around 100 to 150 grams of rice flakes, 100 grams of carrot cut into pieces, and around 50 grams of sugar. Put in the rice flakes and the sugar. Into the grinder. Close and grind well. Put in the carrot pieces. Close and grind well. Now pour in milk. Close and grind well. Now the carrot rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the carrot rice flakes smoothie into a glass. The final carrot rice flakes milk smoothie or carrot rice flakes milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the carrot smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.